Welcome to our video tutorial on how to view Facebook passwords in Google Chrome. If you've ever forgotten your password or need to access it for any reason, this simple method will help you retrieve it using the built-in password management feature of Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Open the browser by double-clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or finding it in your Applications folder. Once Chrome is open, please type chrome//settings/passwords in the address bar. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites for which you've saved passwords. Because this is a new Chrome, I just have Facebook in this field. To view the saved Facebook password, click on the eye icon next to it. Chrome will prompt you to enter your computer's password for security purposes if you have it, but if you don't, you can instantly view your password. Congratulations! You can now view your Facebook password in Google Chrome whenever you need it. Remember to keep your computer password secure to protect your privacy and online accounts. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to view Facebook passwords in Google Chrome. We hope this method has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing!